Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hiking pole cart that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rock and Roller Folding Pole Cart. The Rock and Roller Cart is a good option if you want a metal cart without synthetic walls. The design of this cart allows you to stack items on top of one another, so you can really put a lot of gear on the cart. It has a maximum load capacity of 500 pounds, plus it's available in versions that can hold even more. One thing to note is that this particular cart is available in 10 different styles that differ in size and maximum capacity. I'm focusing on the R21 RT here, which is the medium-sized cart. The maximum load of other carts ranges from 200 pounds to 700 pounds, so there are plenty of options if this one is not the right size for you. The metal construction of the cart is quite sturdy, with tall walls on the narrow sides. This is what lets you stack items on top of one another, and you can always tie the items to the cart, to ensure they stay on the cart. The wheels are sturdy, rugged, and designed for use on all terrain types. Also, you can actually adjust the size and shape of the cart, making it one of the most flexible options out of the bunch. It is quite heavy, but if you're looking for an exceptionally durable pole cart to carry heavy and bulky items, this is certainly one of the top options. It's worth noting that this doesn't have a separate handle. Instead, one of the walls functions as a separate handle, so you'll likely want to pick a size according to the height of the walls. Just make sure you don't get something that's too short for you, otherwise, you're going to experience some nasty back pains. Moving on at number 4, we have the Timber Ridge Laburnum Tailgate Wagon. The Timber Ridge pole cart is a good option if staying organized is important to you. With a spacious cargo basket and multiple smaller pockets on the sides, this pole cart really lets you find a dedicated spot for everything you want to store inside it. The cart has a maximum load capacity of 180 pounds, which is great considering that it only weighs some 22 pounds when empty. The 4 wheels are fully rotating, so you can maneuver this pole cart in any direction. They are quite slim, so they might struggle a bit on softer terrain. But they're also textured, for good grip on traction on rougher terrain types. Additionally, the wheel handle is telescoping and adjustable, so you can set it up in a way that's comfortable for you. There's even a small piece of plastic that lets you secure the handle to the body of the wagon, which will be convenient when the cart is stationary. The wagon is foldable and it goes an extra step to really make it easy for you to store and carry this thing. While most other wagons can't stay closed when they're folded, this one gives you 2 different options that let you fully close it. When you fold the wagon frame, the basket actually becomes a carry bag that you pull over the frame. This ensures that the pole cart can't open on its own, allowing you to store it upright if you want. You can also secure a nylon belt around the wagon, to make sure it doesn't pop open if you store it upright. At number 3, we have the TMZ AllTerrain Utility Folding Wagon. The TMZ hiking wagon is one of the few options that can give you some protection from the weather. This comes with a removable canopy that protects the contents from UV rays and rain, plus some convenient pockets on the sides. This even includes a detachable rear basket, as well as mesh water bottle pockets. However, the canopy brings the total height of this cart up to 43.5, which makes it one of the bulkiest options out of the bunch. If you would prefer something smaller and easier to pull around, you might want to look at the other carts. This is a collapsible cart though, so it will be pretty easy to store it. The maximum load capacity of the cart is 265 pounds, but only when it's stationary. It's slightly less when you're actually moving it around, but the exact load capacity when in use is not specified. This pole cart is made from rust-proof iron, so it's very sturdy and durable. The walls are made from 600D Oxford fabric, while the wide wheels are made from plastic. They are quite rugged and suitable for use on all terrain types, so you shouldn't struggle too much to wheel this around on rocky and uneven terrain. Additionally, the telescopic handle extends with a push of a button, allowing you to adjust the exact height of the handle. At number 2, we have the Max Sports Push Pole Cart. The Max Sports Push and Pole Cart is a good option if you want a more versatile cart. Apart from hiking, this is also good for shopping, camping, and even picnics. The sturdy frame can handle a load of up to 300 pounds, while the soft walls help keep your belongings inside the cart. Keep in mind that the walls are not a guarantee that everything will stay in the cart. If you have any smaller items, it's best to put them at the bottom and put bigger bags over them. The cart might bounce a bit over particularly rocky and uneven terrain, which could cause some stuff to fall out. Especially since there isn't a cover for the top. The pole cart features 4 hard plastic wheels, for good balance on different terrain types. They're very sturdy, and it's unlikely that one of them will fall off or get damaged easily. Additionally, this pole cart features a telescopic wheel handle, so it should be pretty easy to maneuver. Apart from the sturdy construction, the Max Sports hiking pole cart also has some additional features that might make your life a bit easier. There are mesh water bottle holders near the handle, as well as a detachable basket and an extra pocket in the back. The basket actually attaches to give you an additional handle if you want to push this cart. The basket is a cool feature if you're using the cart for storage while it's stationary, but I wouldn't recommend keeping stuff in it while you're wheeling this around on hikes. And finally at number 1, we have the Durhand folding hiking pole cart. The Durhand pole cart is one of the few options that features a top cover that protects the contents of the wagon in rainy weather. The cover secures the cart with 4 thin poles, and it's entirely removable for easy access to your items. This pole cart has 4 extra-wide all-terrain wheels with deeply textured treads, for great tractions on different terrain types. Also, they are spinner wheels, meaning you'll be able to move the cart in any direction you want. And thanks to that easily adjustable telescoping pole handle, that's going to be super easy. There's also an adjustable push handle in the back of the cart. It's worth noting that both handles can be adjusted to 7 different positions, so you should have no issues setting up the cart however it suits you best. The walls, the basket in the back, and the top cover are all made from water-resistant Oxford fabric. The main wagon basket has a load capacity of 175 pounds, while the smaller basket near the push handle offers an extra 11 pounds of cargo space for those items you want more easily accessible. When installed, the top cover doesn't protect the smaller basket, so keep that in mind if you're storing any electronics inside it. Additionally, the pole cart also has 2 convenient water bottle pockets near the telescoping wheel handle. It also folds for easy storage, with the basket fabric functioning as a carry bag with a convenient grab handle. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.